Ever notice those stubborn oil stains ruining your concrete driveway? They're not just ugly, they're tough to remove. Here's the game changer. Don't reach for your pressure washer. Instead, try cat litter to absorb fresh spills or make a paste with Dawn dish soap and flour. Cover it with plastic wrap, seal the edges, and let it sit for 24-48 hours. For smaller stains, baking soda or laundry detergent works wonders too. The key is patience. These methods pull oil from deep within the concrete pores. Prevention is easier than cleanup, so always use drip pans under vehicles. Need some pressure washing? Leave an inquiry at www.slan.org.